CH518TC86 food waste truck is a new generation vehicle independently developed and designed by Yaban Group, incorporating the advantages of various international counterparts. It features an aesthetically pleasing and elegant overall appearance, a large garbage loading capacity, powerful performance. This model is suitable for food waste collection and transportation operations in urban residential areas, restaurants, hotels, and shopping malls. Start the vehicle. To press the clutch and engage the power takeoff PTO, slowly release the clutch. Press and hold the start/stop button on the control panel to initiate the loading operation. Use the remote control or manual joystick to open the top cover. Push the garbage bin to the hoisting position. Press and hold the bin lift button to raise the bin. After the garbage is dumped, press the bin lower button or use the joystick to slowly lower the bin. Once the garbage is loaded, close the top cover. Open the start/stop button on the control panel. Press the one-touch unloading button, and the system will automatically execute the unloading process. Manual operation is also possible. Unlock and open the rear door. The rear door will open slowly. The push plate will push the garbage out of the container. After the garbage is fully discharged, retract the push plate. Close the rear door. Open the ball valve of the sewage tank to discharge wastewater. The firefighting interface on the side of the container can be connected to a fire hose for cleaning the sewage tank. The side is equipped with a 20-meter high-pressure hose for more convenient cleaning.